Alright. I will be talking about my next and final app, and this is a game. It's Hill Climb Racer. You can get this in the Microsoft Store, and this game is it's just a racing game where you try to see how far you can go using the arrows at the bottom right of your keyboard. And basically, you can pick up money and like coins and stuff like this. And like you gotta get the diamonds. And the gas can just means that like it'll refill your gas and everything. The diamonds you can also spend on like different stuff. Right now I'm a little stuck. You can spend the diamonds on like other stuff in the shop. I'll show you the shop after. And then like that, I just flipped over, so I'm done. Like, that's the race. And then right now it shows me all the stats and everything, and like how good I did. And right now I could upgrade my car. Like, this is the shocks on the car. This is like the interior hardware of the car. And these are like the tires. This is like the tranny, the diff, and all that. You can choose what different cars you want, but you have to like buy them with the coins up here in the top left corner, and the diamonds are up there too. You can get a whole lot of cars. There's quite a lot. And then you can also choose where you want to race, but you have to buy it as well. And this one just goes through the seasons. Like, it's a pretty cool map. I have it on my phone. This one's just really plain. It's deserty. And then if you go over here to the shop, you can like buy coins for money. Like, this one's $50, this one's $40, and this one's $20. And this one's $30, my bad. But yeah, this is Hill Climb Racer.